angel. Yes, you're an angel. I love you. Hello, welcome back to Nails by Niche. So in this video today, here's the deal. I'm trying to get more comfortable being on camera. I want to show you me, and I want you to see more of me so you know you kind of get the full picture of who I am. Let's get into this video. In this video, I'm going to be doing some encapsulated dried flowers. So if you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my laptop, but the reason why I'm even doing yellow or doing these nails is I have a client and she wanted encapsulated flowers for her wedding day. So I wanted to give her two different options, and she has really short nails. So I did the practice nails on some shorter ones. Like her nails are even shorter than this. So she's very open and I'm very appreciative. So essentially what I'm just showing you right now is the two different color options. So we've got Clueless and we've got Pastel V110 from the GelBottle. And I really just wanted to show her like what her options are in terms of like the yellows, because that's one of the primary colors in her wedding. And she really like has always wanted these dried flowers. So I scoured the internet, and on Amazon I did find these, and they're pretty inexpensive, maybe like, I don't know, $10-12. I'll link them down below. They will be Canadian links. I will have some American links coming. Right now I am just picking out all of the flowers that I like. I went and picked some bright colors that would look nice on top of yellow. Obviously I didn't want to use the color yellow as one of the flowers. Then I went in with base coat. So looking back and after doing her nails, which I'll show you a picture of what her nails look like at the end, I really should have used the clear coat from the GelBottle, which is their builder in a bottle that's clear. And that's how I should have applied it. I was trying to do like as thin as possible, where like it didn't really work. So it did work, but when you try to push in the flowers with the jelly stamper, they tend to slip a lot more. And another like little pro tip is to cure them like for like 3 seconds and then use the jelly stamper on top of it. So I got this little lamp. I bought that for like $20 on Amazon. I thought it was so cute. So it's a little like handheld lamp, and it's got like a 30-second, minute, and 90-second timer. And like, I have no idea how to switch it off the 30-second one. So if anybody knows how to use that, let me know. But, so yeah, you just press the little like fingerprint and it lights up. So what I recommend doing is instead, because after I've already done her nails. So after, what I recommend doing is actually flash cure it for like 5 seconds so that they're kind of frozen in place, and then push the jelly stamper on top so that they don't slide around, but they'll just compress down into the nail. So that is just a little helpful tip there, because I did mess these up a couple times, especially on the more yellow color, which was Clueless. I like squished down and then they moved, and then like look, like brought it over and I was like, okay, this isn't bad, and I wiped it off. So yeah, it could be better. So now I'm just gonna reapply a whole new set of flowers all over again and do this process all over again. So I think I messed this up actually 2 more times. Probably should have learned from that first time, but I don't know why I thought like they wouldn't, if I froze them in place, then they would move, or they wouldn't like squish down. I don't know what I thought. My thought process, I have no idea. So once you're done, once they're all like frozen in place, and they've cured, go over it with clear again, the builder gel, and you want to build out your structure that way. So if you are doing this set on someone, the flowers need to be at one of the lowest like levels of the nail, either like right after like a base coat and a color, then the flowers, then you build your clear with structure. And or if it's like an extension, you want it to be like the extension's built out, or if you use a clear tip, you put the clear tip on, or you build the clear extension, put the flowers on, and then the clear. Or if you want to put a color underneath, put a color underneath. But it needs to be one of the lowest layers of the nail. So in this case, that's exactly what I did. I built the structure out of the clear so that it was as if the clear coat, it encapsulates it. So in the yellow ones, since I didn't really press them down, because what I ended up doing in this video was I just cured them, and they're still pretty like puffy. So what I did was I put the clear coat on, and then I buffed them. And so what buffing them is going to do, it's going to actually just take down whatever bumpiness there is from the flowers. It may remove part of them, which is pretty normal, but what you can do is right afterwards, you just put your top coat over top, and if it's still a little bit bumpy, maybe put another coat of top coat, or buff them again, and then put another clear coat over top. So here's the finished look. They're all done, and they're so beautiful. I'm gonna show you her nails as well. Let me know which one is your favorite down below. This is my client's nails, all completed for her wedding day. This is the real side of making a YouTube video. That's where my computer was. And that's not even my dog. She just comes to visit sometimes. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I picked out a couple more for you to watch, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.